Hey, Dad, can you put the light switch beside you?
You cook?
To the left?
What you cook?
Just knew like it was gonna all melt. Like it didn't stick to the
What you cook?
thing. So
Cook rice?
yeah.
And then you move down south.
You cook rice?
There's possible 12% chance of snow. Bread, eggs, and milk, and it's like
Bây giờ món mì cà vô là quên món nọ đó nữa.
snow and shut everything down. And then there's great relatives living in this, from the station Fort Drum
Oh yeah, yeah.
in New York
It snows
City.
just all the time.
We got 3.5 feet. 6 hours.
Mình dùng món mì cà món nọ.
And they're like, no, you can still come to work.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cho cái
Yeah.
cho cái cho số microwave.
And I mean most like 9 months out of the year, I mean the weather's just beautiful. Then it gets
Đó.
hot, and it's beautiful. Like when we were
Cho cái cho. Good. You eat it.
yeah, no humidity, like 70,
For me?
sunny.
Okay, for me, thank you.
Tan lẩu rồi, ô không có xíu.
Dùng món mì cà quá. Cứ nó cũng ngon nè ha.
Ồ,
Cho microwave on là thì.
mấy cái vị chỉ của cái nó đó. Baby, Pikachu.
Một tần thôi thì mua lên chân tròn đó thì nó tàu.
Baby, you made corn for your grandpa eat, right? You made?
Oh, she wake up? Hi,
I didn't make any
baby.
effort, but on the top of my freezer there's some frozen ones.
Hi, Holland. I missed you. You gonna go today? You put Bo? Bo is here. I know she opened her eye like this.
Dạ, món mì cà được cá lò.
Này, nó có your chua. I don't know chua.
Yeah. I'll go pull it.
You want egg?
Đó.
You want nothing? You want pork? Yeah, I don't. Wait, Little Penelope?
Oh no, you're fine, you're fine.
In my car. Yeah, it's in the back seat, passenger side, okay? Two, Hadasha, two. No, no. She wants Pepsi, Hadasha.
Oh.
Hadasha wants alcohol.
Oh, yeah. Just the Pepsi. I gotta drive.
Jackie, this is in a blue color.
Oh, look, come here, you want help Nanny hold you? Come here, sweet girl.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Tablet beans.
They're on the stove.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh, for thankful y'all.
Đúng rồi,